to go past those buoys? Shark.
Right.
What happens if you do?
We get in trouble.
What will happen? Ah, a shark just popped up at me.
So there's police things around.
Where?
I don't know. It's coming. Oh, there's those guys. Everybody on this is friendly. Don't push.
They're having fun.
That's around. Here they come. Dad and I went on that when we were dating. You guys were not around.
Maddie, what's over there?
Hoover Dam.
What?
I'm not sure where it is.
Noah, you having fun?
Say yeah. Say wawa. Yeah.
Yeah. Daddy. Imagine a shark coming up and popping up at us.
Let's not imagine a shark coming up.
Why?
Oh, there's only one guy on there. Where'd the other guy go? The other guy's in the water.